Okay, guys, this is the Samsung Level On Pro with noise cancellation headset. I seem to have a couple of problems with it. Lately, it's kind of sketchy when I'm playing music, and Bluetooth also connects and disconnects. I don't really know what's wrong with it. I don't know what happened. It's all of a sudden started behaving weird. So today I'm just gonna repair it up myself. I'm going to open this guy here and then do the repairs. So I figured out that my problem is actually here. When you kind of move it around, it's kind of sketchy. So I'm going to open it up on this side and see what's going on in it. So please keep watching this video in case you have one of these device, Samsung Level On Pro, or maybe the Level On, and it seems not to be working as intended. Just keep watching the video and see how I open it up and fix it. Now it looks good, it's working better. So I'm just going to show you how I did it. Thanks, keep watching. Alright guys, today I have the Samsung Level On Pro. It's kind of sketchy when I'm playing music. It looks like it's just plays and stop playing, like sound looks like there's a loose wire somewhere. I was trying to fix this myself, trying to open it myself and see what's going on. I'm just going to show you today, if in case you're wondering how to open this Level On Pro. I'm going to show you how to open it. So you actually have to, my problem is actually at this place, and this is how I open it. So I thought it would be wise to share if somebody might want to do, its own repairs to open up stuff. First, you need a couple of tools to get this open. You will need a flat thing to put it on the side in order to pop it out. So this is where you actually pop out in order to see. So you set this thing right there, you set one of it and keep opening it like that to finally pop it out. So after it pops out, there are 4 screws right here that you will need a star screwdriver or a hex, I think, or Phillips screwdriver to open it up. So I'm gonna go ahead to open this up to see what's wrong with my device. Sadly, it started behaving weird when I'm playing music. So I know people will be having issues with it and they will be wondering how to open this. So come on, there you go. I don't mind. This is my own device. I bought it with my own money. So I'm going to go ahead to see if I can fix this to save money. Okay. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead to open this up. There you go. So there are 4 screws that you need to loose to get this open. So this is it, guys, in case you're wondering how to open this thing. This is it. Okay, I hope this video helps you out, and I hope you'll be able to fix. You have to be careful when you are opening it because there are wires actually in there. Okay, so there it is, guys, in case you're wondering how to open this. And in case your problem is up here, you see there are 2 screws right here. You need to open here, open there, and then pop this place open. Alright, guys, I hope this video helps out. Thanks. So guys, at the end of the day, I was able to fix my Samsung Level On Pro, and everything seems to be working fine. Again, Bluetooth no longer connects and disconnects. Sounds look good. As you can see, everything looks pretty good now. You can as well sound look good, tracks skip, everything looks good. I hope it helps you. Stay blessed. Bye.